Don't say, "we with my family." A common mistake in English. The phrase, "we with my family," is an example of incorrect usage commonly observed in English learners. So, how do you express possession or association with a group of people such as family, friends, or colleagues in English grammar? The correct structure is typically we, followed by a possessive pronoun or noun, such as our, or the possessive form of the noun. It is a common English mistake of saying, "we with my family," instead of the correct, "my family and I." Have you ever found yourself saying something like, "we went to the park with my family"? While it's a common mistake, it's grammatically incorrect. In this video, we'll explore why "we with my family" is wrong and how to properly say it. Let's explain the mistake explained. The incorrect phrase, "we with my family," combines the subject pronoun, "we," with the object pronoun, "my family," in an ungrammatical way. Let's break it down. "We" is a subject pronoun that refers to the speaker plus one or more others. For example, "we are students." My family is a noun phrase that acts as an object, not a subject. So, saying "we with my family" is like saying the subject with the object, which doesn't make sense grammatically. The correct way to express going somewhere or doing something with your family members, you have two options. 1. My family and I went to the park. Here, my family and I is the complete subject. I is joined to my family with and. 2. I went to the park with my family. Now, I is the subject, and with my family is a prepositional phrase modifying the verb went. Either way, never combine we and my family directly, keep them separate semantic units. Examples. Other correct examples. We visited my aunt. We equals subject. Visited my aunt equals verb plus object. My parents and I cooked dinner. Complete subject plus verb. I played tennis with my brother. Subject plus verb plus prepositional phrase. Avoiding this common "we with my family" mistake will make your English sound much more natural. Remember, keep subject pronouns like we separate from object noun phrases like my family. With practice, using my family and I or putting my family in a prepositional phrase will become second nature. Smart usage of pronouns is key to mastering English grammar. Therefore, the phrase, "don't say we with my family," a common mistake in English. It is a reminder to English learners to use proper grammar and avoid this common mistake when expressing association or possession with a group of people.